So December 1st, I'm gonna try something different. Try to do the whole Vlogmas thing where we vlog every day. I don't know if I'm gonna do it every day. I'm going to go to work, obviously get ready. I'm gonna do a quick workout, and you can kind of see a little bit my other part of me when I'm not filming for cars. But of course, I'm running behind and I need to get this video out. This is part 2 of towing the trailer. So I'm getting this video out right now, and I have probably about 6 other videos in the pipeline right now. I'm just behind. I've been filming, just haven't had time to sit down and really edit these videos. Okay, I don't know if you met Oliver. This is Oliver. Oliver, say hi. He is a 2-year-old Yorkie. Very hyper in the morning, and I almost had to tell him that I'm not going to be home till later this evening because of my work schedule. But yeah, he is a great addition to the family. I'm not actually really a dog person until him. So all right, as I get ready to go, there's a letter here I just got in the mail. It's about a class action lawsuit against BMW with the N63. It says TU1, so the model years between 2013 and 2019. So I may have to talk about this in a different video, or maybe just include it in this one. But yeah, it appears as if you had oil consumption issues with your engine, you could be entitled to, or have had an engine failure. Looks like there is some type of compensation. So I can go into that in a little more detail if you guys are interested, or if you have, if you get, I'm sure if you're owner, you probably get the same letter. So head out. Obviously, I gotta tell you about the Type R. Of course, when you buy a car out of state, you got issues with registration. So my tag expired. Still working on getting information to the California DMV. So get all these different steps, and then I can get the tag on it. So right now, we're actually going to take the M3. This car actually has been sitting for a while. I need to drive it some more. That's why I switched places. So let's get going. And of course, the X5s. I have to sit outside. It'd be nice to be able to put a lift in here or have a 4-car garage, you know. But of course, I'm always feel that somebody wanting the 5-car. All right, let's do a cold start on M3. It is foggy. I like this car, I really do. Like I said, I'll hold on to this car for a very long time. The only thing that's going to help probably was waiting for getting rid of it would be a supercar, like a Lamborghini or something like that, Audi R8. But even then, it's like this car, it still has good looks, and I can drive it every day. I love it when the ramps are metered. Sport mode, and let's go. Crap, was that a cop? Radar detector didn't go off, but definitely looks like a cop right there. Put the camera down. Looks like one, but no. It's not, it's just a regular. These explorers, man, they always sneak up on you and never know. Alright everyone, this is my commute. This is what I do. I just sit here and just cruise and try not to have any road rage with people who don't drive very well. Right now we're flowing pretty good. But there are times where I'm behind somebody and I look out in front of them and there's nobody in front of them. Like hopefully this truck here, yeah, see, he's good to go. But there are times where it's just behind him and the traffic is way ahead of him, and he's right into the fast lane. What you think about it? dude. Let's get going. Alright everyone, heading to work. I'm not going to show exactly where I work. If you do know, you might recognize it. Just don't post it in the comments if you can do that. But yeah, this is it. This is kind of like what I do, and just walking in. So I'm gonna get my mask on and do my shift, and I'll see you guys back after I'm done. I just don't think that, of course, where I work, I'm not allowed to film, so a lot of restrictions there. All right, everyone. So I got a little time to myself, sort of. I am on call again, the hospital. So you can see me, I'm wearing scrubs underneath, but that means I'm just on sort of a standby. So I don't really talk about this very much, but like I said, Lexi went to the bachelorette party. She's gonna be gone all night. I'm gonna capture some videos, do some more editing, do maybe a little more filming. Also, you know, I sometimes watch. What are your favorite videos you watch? I just discovered this one here from Wavy Boats. I don't know if you've ever seen this one, but it's pretty intense. You've seen these boats hitting these waves hard. I think somewhere in Florida, and some of these guys, they're gonna get thrown. So I might link that in the description if you're interested in that. But just some videos. What are some videos you watch? Leave them in the comments. I'm sure that most people with B&W owners, I'm sure you guys watch Keys Motorsports and some others. So why do people feel like they want to correct you? They don't know. So long story. There's a post I replied to a while ago. That she said 2 weeks when I replied, and it was about adaptive driving being legal in the U.S. finally. And if you don't know the channel, if you haven't watched, but I've enabled the European high beam on BMW, and if you don't know what that means is, if you have the adaptive LEDs on your X5, X6, or most of the BMWs with the adaptive LEDs, you have a function in there that's built in most cars where it can not only function as automatic high beam, but it can dip and adjust and change your beam pattern automatically. All right. So anyway, I just make a long story short, I replied to the post and I was just talking about it like, kind of like great. And I said, I have this feature enabled on my BMW and it works great. This is fantastic. And nobody gets blinded. And I've got several comments and replies saying you don't have that feature. This is a US feature only, and there's no way you can have it. So I had replied multiple times. I said, I understand the differences. I understand that I'm not referring, because there were some other people who had replied who said that they had it on their Mazda CX-5, and I'm assuming they got it confused with the adaptive. But I'm like, hey, I know what the difference between adaptive and advanced driving beam is. They're two different things. So multiple people replied, and this last guy, I don't know why, he just like I feel very confrontational right now. But he said, no, what your BMW has is a rain and light sensor built into the windshield around your mirror. It turns off high beams when it senses oncoming light. Totally different. All right, so I'm gonna head over to Lowe's, and next thing I'm gonna get is something for the yard. Are you lawn experts? If you have any ideas, I'm getting a lot of mushrooms in the yard. It is getting to the point where I've tried everything. I've cut the grass low. I have turned off all the watering, and having the dog go outside to make sure he doesn't eat anything, and having to pick those up. I've been careful of picking them up with the plastic bag, make sure I don't spread spores. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna try to defungus stuff. I'm gonna try to put down on the yard to see if that helps. Other than that, I don't know. So if any ideas, let me know. All right. So I tried the Scott's the ZX, and I think my dad also told me to try some weed and feed. And it really seemed to help out with the mushrooms. Just so anybody else was curious. I think I've had two, but the outbreak, they used to have the little clusters, and of course the one of big, those cones that used to spawn and overnight. It really didn't take care of it. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know that it was a little rough getting going. First of all, in the morning I was just super tired. But if you enjoyed it, or if you want to see more, or whatever, I'm gonna try a few more. I don't give up just yet. I'm editing this and I'm like, man, it just doesn't feel, it just feels a little different, kind of exposing that a little bit apart with what I'm doing. But I'm gonna try a few more times, I will say I'm gonna give it till end of this month, if not till January. At the end of January, I'm gonna do another poll, see how you guys like it. If you like it, we'll continue. If you don't like it, we can, out of here.